Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the data and scaffolding into the app so you can see results immediately. Create a sample list string with 15-20 items and import material. Dart, then wrap your UI in a material app and scaffold. Once done, add a stateful widget if you need dynamic updates, otherwise a stateless widget will work. Make sure to keep the item data close to the widget that builds the list, because passing state down is simpler and avoids unnecessary rebuilds. You implement the builder by calling ListView Builder and supplying item count and item builder. This defers creation until items are visible, saving memory. Inside Item Builder, return a list tile, card, or a custom widget, accessing data via items index. Once done, consider adding keys for reorderable or stateful children, and use const where possible to reduce rebuild cost. If nesting, set shrink wrap, true, and a suitable physics to prevent scroll conflicts, and explain why these flags matter. You finish by wiring gestures, separators, and optional lazy loading via a scroll controller to detect near-end scroll. That gives pagination or infinite loading. Then run the app and profile with dev tools to catch excessive rebuilds or layout jank. If things go wrong, make sure item count matches your data length and that the list is populated before the UI builds. For async data, call setState after fetch. Finally, test on device. Adjust padding and performance, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.